Robotics Lab 2B Preparation Video Demonstration. In this preparation, I'm exploring the uses of conditional statements and loops for programming the ABB robot using Robot Studio. Before I start the video demonstration, let's look at the program data and the variables that I'm using and changing in this demonstration. So quantity is a variable that can be set by the user for the number of repetitions that we want the robot to do when using the case 3, where it is placing the parts in station 1 and station 2 alternatively using the quantity variable. And reset statistics is for resetting the value of station 1 total parts and station 2 total parts. When it is set to 1, these two values are reset to 0. And direction is for choosing the case whether we want to place the part on station 1 only, on station 2 only, or on station 1 and 2 alternatively, up to the number of parts mentioned in the variable quantity. Okay, now I'm going to run the program. So I move to production window. It is set to auto mode. Motor is turned on. Right now the value of direction variable is 0, so the robot does nothing at this variable value. Now when I change its value to 1, the robot will pick up part from feeder, which is located approximately along this line, and put it to the right of the robot where station 1 is located. Let's look at the number of parts on station 1. Now one part has been placed at station 1. So the right of robot is station 1 and the left of robot is station 2, and the feeder is supposed to be along this line. The total number of parts in station 1 has been changed to 2. Now let's change the direction to 2. Now the robot should be placing parts to the left of the robot where station 2 is located. Currently it is executing the last action that it had already started before I changed the value of direction to 2. Now it will move the parts to station 2. Let's look at the statistics here. The total number of parts placed in station 2 has been changed to 1 now. Now let's change the value of direction to 3. With this, let's change the quantity to 2. Okay, so it should be placing the parts on station 1 and 2 alternatively up to it should place 2 parts on station 1 and then move over to 2 parts on station 2 and then move back to 2 parts on station 1 and so on. One part has been placed at station 1 already, so it is placing the second part now. Now both parts have been placed at station 1, so the number of parts has moved from 3 to 5. Now it will move on to placing the parts on station 2. So it will put 2 parts on station 2 before coming over to 2 parts on station 1 again. Right now the statistics on 2 is 2. It's 3 now. It will place one more part on station 3. I mean station 2. So it has put 2 parts on station 2. Now it will move over to placing the parts on station 1. It is moving to station 1. Now the total number of parts on station 1 and 2 are given here, and the value of reset statistics is 0. If I change its value to 1, these two shall be changed to 0. Okay, so change it to 1, refresh. Okay, it is continuing that loop. Okay, the loop has completed and now the statistics have been reset to 0. So I should change its value to 0 again. Okay, that's it for the lab prep.